Welcome back to the channel. Winter is coming, so today we're going to be putting some Lanoguard onto the underneath of the Citroen 2CV. Fortunately, this 2CV is in very good condition underneath. It had brand new floors before I bought it, and it's also on a galvanised chassis, so that won't rust. What I'm going to put on today is going to ensure that the floors don't rust, and also we can generally look after all the other components as well. Okay, let's get to it. No messing around. Straight under the back of the car. The Citroen 2CV, I can actually get under it without raising the bag due to the way that my driveway is curved. So basically the Lanoguard goes on really well. I've used this before on my Transit Connect. I put it on every year and it does really keep the rust at bay. So this always stays a bit tacky and it creeps into any stone chips you might get or any bits where the paint's peeling. You can put it straight onto whatever you've got already and basically it will provide a sort of a seal so that the water and salt and whatever else doesn't get in there and cause lots of corrosion. Just turning around, then we're gonna have a quick look at the side that I couldn't see because the wall was in the way, and then we're gonna take the wheel off and brush all of the rubbish out from underneath this wheel arch and treat under here as well. It's really important to spray this into all the little bits that you can't normally see, so anywhere that dirt could get or water will get into, and just make sure that the whole thing is properly protected. Get the wheel back on, then I'll turn it around and do the same to the other side. And there we go, this lovely Citroen 2CV is fully protected for the winter. I normally do this in the autumn just before the worst of the weather, as this treatment only lasts up to a year, then you have to top it up again. Rolling around on the floor in the cars is kind of a Sunday tradition here. If you want to stay up to date with videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. It also really does help the video get out to more people, so they too can see exactly what it takes to look after these cars. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.